Welcome to today's video. We all know that success starts with mindset, but did you know that you can actually rewire your brain for success? In this video, we'll explore the power of a positive mindset and share practical tips to help you train your brain for achieving your goals and living your best life. Let's dive into how thinking positively can change your life. 1. Understanding the power of a positive mindset. Your thoughts shape your reality. A positive mindset influences your actions, emotions, and decisions. It helps you embrace challenges and view setbacks as learning opportunities rather than obstacles. Example: a study shows that people with a positive mindset tend to be more resilient and experience less stress when faced with difficulties. For example, athletes with a growth mindset perform better under pressure compared to those with a fixed mindset. Pro tip: start by noticing your thoughts. Replace negative self-talk with affirmations like, I am capable and I will overcome this. 2. Rewiring your brain. Neuroplasticity and positive thinking. Neuroplasticity is your brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections. This means that with consistent practice, you can train your brain to respond positively. Example: think of it like exercising a muscle. The more you focus on positive thinking, the stronger the neural pathways for positivity become, making it easier to stay positive over time. Pro tip: practice gratitude journaling every morning. Write down 3 things you're grateful for to start your day on a positive note. 3. Changing your self-talk from negative to positive. Your internal dialogue plays a massive role in shaping your mindset. Replacing negative thoughts with positive affirmations can completely shift your perspective and enhance your self-confidence. Example: instead of saying, I can't do this, say, I can figure this out and I will learn from it. This small shift can lead to big changes in your motivation and performance. Pro tip: use a thought-stopping technique when you catch yourself thinking negatively. Visualize a stop sign and immediately replace that thought with a positive one. 4. Embrace failure as part of the process. Failure isn't something to fear. It's a natural part of growth. A positive mindset allows you to see failure as a stepping stone to success. Example: famous inventor Thomas Edison said, I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work. Each failure was a valuable lesson that led him to success. Pro tip: when faced with failure, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? This shifts your perspective and opens up new opportunities for growth. Pushpin 5. Surround yourself with positivity. You become like the people you spend the most time with. Surrounding yourself with positive, uplifting individuals can influence your mindset and help you stay motivated. Example: if you want to be successful, spend time with people who inspire you and encourage you to keep going, especially during tough times. Pro tip: limit negative influences, whether they are people or media, and replace them with motivational content or friends who lift you up. 6. Visualization. See it, believe it, achieve it. Visualization is a powerful technique to help rewire your brain for success. Imagine yourself achieving your goals, and your brain will begin to align with this vision. Example: Olympic athletes use visualization techniques to enhance their performance. They mentally rehearse their routine or race to build confidence and focus. Pro tip: spend 5 to 10 minutes daily visualizing your success. Picture yourself accomplishing your goals, feeling the emotions associated with it, and taking the necessary steps toward your success. 7. Practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself. Being kind to yourself, especially during difficult times, helps build a stronger, more resilient mindset. Self-compassion reduces self-doubt and allows you to bounce back from setbacks. Example: instead of criticizing yourself when you make a mistake, try talking to yourself as you would talk to a friend. Treat yourself with understanding and kindness. Pro tip: practice positive self-talk and be gentle with yourself during tough times. Remind yourself that mistakes are part of the journey to success. 8. Develop a growth mindset. A growth mindset is a belief that your abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work. It's the foundation of continuous learning and improvement. Example: people with a growth mindset tend to persist longer in the face of challenges. For example, J.K. Rowling was rejected by many publishers before her Harry Potter series became a global success. Pro tip: when you encounter a challenge, remind yourself, I may not know how yet, but I can learn and grow. 9. Cultivate gratitude. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's missing to what you already have. Focusing on gratitude increases positive emotions and can help you develop a more optimistic outlook on life. Example: studies show that people who regularly practice gratitude have lower stress levels and more positive relationships. Pro tip: keep a gratitude journal and jot down 3 things you're grateful for each day. This simple habit can dramatically shift your mindset. 10. Take action. Small steps lead to big results. A positive mindset requires action. It's not enough to just think positively. You must take steps toward your goals. Small actions lead to big results over time. Example: by breaking your goals into small, manageable tasks, you create momentum. For example, if your goal is to start a business, begin by researching one business idea every day for a week. Pro tip: take small, consistent actions every day, even if they seem insignificant. Over time, these will lead to massive progress. As conclusion and call to action, your mindset is a key to unlocking success. By adopting a positive mindset and practicing these steps daily, you'll start to rewire your brain for success. Which tip resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on how to live your best life. Check out our other videos on personal development and success in the description of this video.